When people step into your facility, the first thing they notice isn't the floors or the lights, it's the air. And with Neutron's AutoScents holiday refills, you can make every space feel warm, inviting, and memorable. These metered sprays can fit right into your AutoScents dispenser. Each one delivers about 3,000 bursts of fragrance, keeping your facility fresh for up to 30 days each. And it's not just fragrance, our formula eliminates odors at the source, while filling the air with themed scents like peppermint, cider, nutmeg, pumpkin, and more. Cleanliness matters, but atmosphere matters just as much. Scents like these turn ordinary restrooms, lobbies, and hallways into spaces people actually enjoy being in. Whether it's visitors, tenants, inspectors, or employees, creating the right mood goes a long way in showing you care and making them feel welcome. Bring seasonal charm into your facility over the holiday season. Stock up on AutoScents holiday refills and make every visit a little more memorable. Visit NeutronIndustries.com to purchase seasonal and holiday magic AutoScents today.